Hey everyone, today we are going to know the best useful programming languages to learn. So, how to choose the best and useful programming languages to learn for our future career. So here I would like to share you a few programming languages only. That would be, you can say, like top 5 programming languages I may share with you for trending not only the present industry, in legacy, in the past few years we may check it. These programming languages are having great potential and a great future career. Yes, which are the first one I would like to say that like Python programming language. So learning this Python programming language, there are ample of opportunities are there in the industry relevant to the artificial intelligence, data science, web development, many areas. So learning and choosing this programming language, yes, you may be like quickly move programming languages and your software development as a coder. A great career you will be, and your hands on, right? And along with the programming language, all you have to choose like any one of framework. In Python, you may choose like a Django or Flask, which are most popular nowadays for web development and a data science concept inbuilts, right? And the next one is a greatly we can choose like a JavaScript, which is a lightweight based programming language. Also we can call it as like a scripting language, where you are choosing and developing programs in lightweight. And also while you are taking and choosing JavaScript, AngularJS and React.js, these are important points and frameworks you have to consider anyone. The next one, Java. As you know that it's a vast potential is having for Java programming language. So developing like a core web and similarly like relevant to the past, you may 10 or 20 years you may choose or take. Vast applications are developed and the future career is also there for Java. The next one, C++, where object-oriented programming are added for C++. You have to learn in these core concepts along with the object-oriented programming. So learning C++ is applicable for many of trending and many of core applications and device-based drivers, embedded drivers, many more. And the next one, you may choose like a C# from Microsoft, where the ASP.NET applications, ASP.NET Core applications, and ASP.NET Studio applications, web, Windows, many more applications you may choose. Nowadays, like you may choose like Azure Data Studios, which are works perfectly with C# programming language, where cloud-enabled applications easily you can build using this programming language. So choosing any one programming language, which are most popular and useful greatly for your career, future career. So learning this programming language, you may try to choose any one of AI tool, which we discussed very clearly recently, generative AI tools. So previously we have submitted such video, you go through it and learn from this AI tools to choosing any one of the programming language, and quickly, very fastly you may try to learn it. So try today.